Hi everyone. So this is the FT5D, and this just came out recently. Got this one at HRO. They're giving this belt clip that comes with it. I was told that Yaesu is the one who gave these clips, not HRO, so that's good to know. This one apparently is IPX7. So you can submerge it, 3 feet underwater for 30 minutes or something. And the speaker apparently is better. And I think it has a button where you can go back and forth and doing something. I will make another video showing you the differences between the FT5D and the FT3D. But this one is just the unboxing. I'm sure you've seen some of these videos, but this gives you another perspective. So this one I got this one in San Diego, the HRO in San Diego, and they had plenty of them. I don't think everybody's buying them like they were with the FT3D. Now I do remember somebody telling me in Anaheim store that there was like 40 plus people in the waiting list, but I don't think there's a big demand for them. This is the manual. Definitely look at that a little bit, see what's up. You get another clip here for is this for your belt? I think it is. This one comes with a black one. This one's a red one. Okay. Maybe. No? There it is. There's a belt clip here. Well, this one's a belt clip. This one has screws that you can hook up on the back there. Power. We might as well open these up, right? I'm not sure what power, what country that goes. Maybe Japanese? In Japan? I don't know. Here is the AC adapter. Okay. I'm going to give you that. What is this? Oh, they give you a USB cable, which I'm very interested in knowing why they would give you a USB cable. To transfer information, to charge. And somebody told me that you can't charge this yet because it doesn't have the electronics for it, which is a shame because most things today you can charge with USB. But yep, that's interesting. This is a mini, right? A mini jack. That's old school technology. Okay. Comes with the rubber ducky, which I'm not sure why people say they're not very good. Maybe, but they're really useful. Okay. Here's the battery. Apparently the battery can be used with other FTDs. So if you have an FT3D, this battery will work. This one is the SBR14Li, 7.2 volts. 20 to 100 milliamps, 16 watt hours. Kind of lightweight. And let's see. Very nice. Very nice flush buttons. I do remember this button here to turn it on and off was it's a bit offset on the FT3D. Let's see. I think it's like this, right? Yes. Going like that, then you snap it, I think. There we go. Now it's a little more heftier. And we can put the antenna on. And we'll leave that there, I guess, for now. That feels nice and tug. Oh, very nice. Although this is, this is a nice little radio. It's not like the the VX6, which is a little more compact. But this does a lot more, of course. Let's see if this thing has any power. I'm going to turn it on. And it sure does. It says to type in your call sign. I'll do that later. I'm going to turn it off. And you can see right here it says mic. That's interesting. And then the buttons. It feels different a little bit. Definitely, I'm going to do another video, and compare the, like I mentioned, the FT5D. And this is just to show you some of the things that, you might already have want to see what's inside the box. Definitely two tones. This is a kind of like a brighter orange. This is more of a red. Power, squelch, Moni, call, and then PPT button. Then you have mic, data, micro SD, and then your port for power. And you can open this up like this. That's really nice. I'm wondering if this feels a little bit more different. It's going to be really interesting to see how it sounds. No cradle in here, which is a little bit disappointing. And no strap. There's no place here where you can put a strap, so you can hold it. I'm sure somebody makes something like that. Okay, so there it is. So you get an idea of how it looks for now. And stay tuned for another video on the comparison. I'm going to try this out, actually, and just, mess around with it, see if I can hear any differences. Definitely, I don't know if it has more frequencies or not. I'm going to have to double check on that. But either way, I'll come back with another video. I hope this was entertaining, somewhat informative. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Please consider giving it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you soon. This is Whiskey Charlie 0 Oscar.